those of us who have been in the industry for a long time, including yourself, often we may think of just the product training. And to get the product training to stick and get the product to stick, there's actually this 360 view of training that needs to happen around it, which starts with awareness of, which some companies, I guess, call change management, but it's a scary word, but awareness of why a company is investing in that solution in the first place. So they had a business problem. They found a solution to solve it. They invested a lot of money in that solution. They implemented it. They roll it out. And many in the company may miss the awareness around how that solution is going to have an impact on what they do.